There's something about a road trip that ignites the soul. The anticipation, the adventure, the excitement of bringing home a piece of history, a piece of motoring history. Today we embark on an awesome journey to Cornwall to collect a BMW E36 328i Convertible. A car that's been loved, cherished and driven for over a decade. But is it as good as we hope? And will it be a good addition to the ATB fleet? Who knows, but let's hit the road and we'll find out. It's 4:30 AM, we're fueled by excitement, we have our flasks of tea and we've got a 5.5 hour road ahead of us. But hey, what's a classic car adventure without a bit of a mission? For a long haul trip like this, we chose the Mercedes S-Class. Because let's be honest, when you're clocking 500 plus miles, you want luxury, comfort, heated massage seats and a good sound system. Plus, it gives us a chance to daydream about how we'll transform this E36 once we get it home. These road trips are where some of the best conversations happen, from planning the future projects to reminiscing about the past builds. There's nothing like a long drive to get the ideas flowing. And to keep the energy going, we usually have a quick pit stop at the services, especially in the morning, to have a break, some food and our favourite tea. And as the sky starts to brighten, we're greeted by something magical. This is what makes early morning starts worth it. The golden sunrise, the open road, and the excitement of knowing we're about to see a potential dream car for the first time. We made it to Cornwall a bit ahead of time, which means we've got the time for a little detour to the coast. Fresh air, breathtaking views, and the perfect way to start the next chapter of this car journey. And there she is, the BMW E36 328i Manual Convertible. First impressions, it's an absolute beauty. Straight bodywork, well-loved interior, and an unmistakable E36 charm. But let's hear the story about it. So I'm going to talk a little bit about what the seller was saying about the car and some of the words he mentioned. So he said, "This car has been part of our lives for over 10 years. We've driven it along the coast on warm summer nights, taken it on road trips and made countless memories. It's a bittersweet thing to let it go, but we know it's going to the right home." It's always special to hear these stories because classic BMWs aren't just cars, they're time machines. They hold memories, emotions and a real sense of driving pleasure. So before we set off, we do a quick once over. Tyres, fluids, lights. This E36 has a long drive ahead of it, so we want to make sure it's in top shape before the journey home. First impressions, it drives beautifully. Tight steering, smooth acceleration, and that iconic BMW feel. This is a proper driver's car, and we can't wait to give it the ATB treatment. And that's a wrap. An epic 11-hour road trip, a stunning BMW E36, and another chapter in the ATB story. If you've enjoyed this adventure, hit the like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more classic BMW journeys. And be sure to stay tuned for the next episode where we get stuck into the car, do some repairs, and add our ATB touch. We'll see you in the next one.